Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping interference. Close heavy background apps and overlays because they steal CPU and GPU time. Once done, update the Roblox client and your graphics drivers so rendering bugs are eliminated. Run Roblox as administrator to give it proper permissions. Make sure to relaunch instead of just minimizing. This resets handle leaks. If you use integrated graphics, switch to the dedicated GPU in your system settings to avoid performance throttling. These first steps often remove the most common freezing causes quickly. Next, optimize both the game and your system. In Roblox settings, drop render quality, texture detail, and shadows to reduce RAM pressure. This prevents frame stalls. Clear Roblox cache and verify or reinstall the client when corrupted files cause hangs. Adjust Windows virtual memory to a stable size so paging won't freeze the game. On laptops, ensure power settings are set to performance. Also make sure hardware acceleration is enabled in relevant apps, so tasks use GPU instead of blocking the CPU. Finally, address network and hardware edge cases. Use wired Ethernet or a stable Wi-Fi band because packet loss causes perceived freezing. Test ping and loss while playing. Monitor CPU and GPU temperatures. Thermal throttling freezes processes, so clean fans or adjust cooling, and consider conservative undervolting. If problems persist, create a fresh OS user profile or perform a clean OS reinstall to remove deep software conflicts. If you still freeze, restart in safe mode with networking to isolate third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.